The goal of the Parent and Family Engagement Program is to strengthen home-school connections so that school staff and families are equal partners in the education and achievement of students. Parent Engagement Liaisons, also known as PELs, support this effort in their school by establishing and improving effective communication between home and school, and coordinating workshops and partnership opportunities for parents and families. The PFE team also collaborates with principals and PELs to gain common understanding of each school's parent and family engagement goals.
We've worked hard to realize the vision of parents as true partners in their child's education. We've changed the way we do parent conferences, and through our parent partnership nights, our teachers have been able to share one simple, focused piece of data for each reading and math, along with one easy-to-implement strategy or game that parents can do daily with their child. We've seen tremendous growth in the targeted skills.
Parents love traditional school events, but they have also embraced the opportunity to look at and analyze their child's academic data in a setting with other parents and teachers. Many of our parents now communicate with their child's teacher with confidence as it relates to data.
We shifted from the traditional meet the teacher to one-on-one meet and greet, with each family having their own time to meet with their teacher. We've incorporated new standard review nights each quarter so that parents have a clear understanding of what their child will be learning during the upcoming weeks.
I feel my position benefits student achievement in many different capacities, providing a sense of consistency and offering parents an opportunity to share any concerns or questions and helping to direct and inform parents of resources. Another component of my position is to help educate and involve the surrounding community of the activities, which has helped create a learning environment that reaches beyond the classroom into the home and as well as the neighborhoods and surrounding community.
One of the most impacting moments it was when we had the Dad and Donuts breakfast. And more than 150 participants show up. So the next day, here comes this mother talking about my son, my husband, they keep talking about this Dad and Donuts. And it was priceless.
As an avid proponent of parent and family engagement, it is really remarkable to see Orange County Public Schools placing parent and family engagement as a really high priority. It shows a true commitment to have personnel with positions dedicated to supporting this work within the district. I'm glad to know that we have partnered in this work and that my research, including the dual capacity building framework for family school partnerships, has served as a foundation for building a successful OCPS parent and family engagement program. I really want to continue to press forward with engaging parents and families, as well as increasing the knowledge of district and school staff in the essential research-based components of parent and family engagement. Our parents, families, students, and you as practitioners are worth it. Thank you.